Now, this is a lot different than other trailers, obviously, because it's nearly double the length. All right. Now, again, wherever the center of your axles, that is where the pivot point would be. So this is a quite a large swing. So let's see if we can back this in without hitting the trucks on the left. Now, there's a few ways to do it. There really is more than a few. Um, let's try. Let me just demonstrate. Let's say a 90-degree back. Okay. Now, I can tell you right now already that this is not going to work. Okay. So let's go ahead and maybe stop around here. The reason why it's not going to work right now is because of the distance between here. You need to, I recommend, if you're ever doing a 90-degree back, the distance between the pivot point and the back of the trailer should be the distance that you have here. All right. So if your axles are all the way to the back, you can be nice and close over here. All right. Well, not too close, but so let's say let's go ahead and put myself into a yeah. So it's around here. Don't worry. The back of the trailer is going to start swinging immediately. So I want the front of the trailer to go to the right. So I'm going to turn to the right. All right. I may need to zoom out here just so I can get everything in the picture. All right, let's slow down. I'm going a bit too fast. All right, so I'm already at a 90-degree angle. All right, so the longer the trailer, the easier it is to put yourself into a 90-degree angle. All right, so let's start turning. All right, so we're missing everything over here. All right, so let's start turning now. All right, okay, so if I keep going, I'm going to hit that trailer, that truck. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop. Let's go ahead and pull forward. Okay, let's try again. So again, this is me showing you. Yeah, so I'm not going to get in that. So I'm going to go ahead and crank. I'm going to hit the crap out of these trucks over here on the left. All right, so let's start from a different position. So now we're starting a lot further back, and let's do a 90-degree back again. All right, so you got to remember where the pivot point is, where the trailer will drag the most or evenly will be like the center. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and let's do that around here. I think that'll do. Yeah, we can go up a little further. Okay, so we have to, again, when you're watching the side of the trailer, you're watching here, and you're making sure that the back of the trailer is not hitting over here. All right, let's turn to the right. Again, it's going to put myself in a jackknife really quickly. Oh, got to zoom out so I can see what's going on. All right, so there's so much to look at here. All right, let's try rotate a little bit more. All right, I think I got this. I think I got this. I'm going to start chasing this a little bit. I know, it looks like I'm going to hit that other truck, doesn't it? Oh, let's rotate more. Oh, now I'm worried about the cab. Well, my cab. I've missed his cab. Oh, I screwed up. Okay, so let's fix that. Let's try to fix it. So I'm going to go over here. I don't want to hit the side of my truck. Yeah, see, this is actually, there's a lot to take into consideration. All right, I think that'll do right there. All right, I'm going to get my steer straight. Okay. Yep, got it. All right. I think, oh no, I'm going to hit it. I hit it. Okay, I was going too fast. I'm sure the guy won't mind. I'll leave a note on his I'll leave a note on his windshield. I'm sure he'll forgive me. There we go. If I keep going, I can make it. There we go. All right. So yeah, driving a 100-foot trailer, not easy, but it is absolutely simple when you have your axles all the way back, though. All right, let's show you that now. Yeah, so when your axles are all the way back, this is really, really easy because you have no swing to worry about. All right, I'm even nice and close to everything on the left. I'll go ahead and stop when my trailer gets past the first truck. Yeah, I don't even need to go that much because it's going to go into a hard jackknife nearly immediately. So I'm going to turn to the right. Oops, that's way too fast. I'm sorry. There we go. Zoom out for a second. So once I'm at 90 degrees, I'm going to go ahead and turn to around here. So it'll basically maintain that 90-degree angle. All right. No. See, I just got to maintain this angle basically. I wish I could go faster without getting out of control. All right, I think I got this. I'm going to start. I am straightening up. I need to put into a little bit of a jackknife again. All right, now it's a full chase. Whoop, that's too soon. Okay, looking good, looking good. All right, and now I'm pointing towards the trailer on my left, so I'm going to go ahead and do a pull forward. Not quite like that. Let's go a little forward first, and then to the right. All right, now I got a dead straight back, and I'm actually able to go full speed on this one, because the longer your trailer, the more control you have without putting it into a jackknife too quickly. All right, so with your axles all the way back. Whoopsie daisy, I wasn't paying attention. There we go, and straight. Eh, you get the gist. All right. Now let's put the axles all the way in the center and watch how ridiculous the swing is. So, this is okay. Look at this. As soon as I start turning, the back is already dipping into way over here. Okay, so we got it. Now I'm basically backing this in like a 53-foot trailer because where the axles are is basically where the 53-foot trailer axles are if you had a 4-axle trailer. Okay, so okay, this is I like this. So now my goal is to get the back of my trailer. All right, by the time it gets back here, already to be parallel. All right, so a lot of time what I'm going to do in order to do that, I have to picture that the space is coming out here. Okay, so my goal is to get this. So I'm imagining that these trailers are all the way over here because if I don't imagine that, I'm gonna end up hitting them. All right, so let's go ahead and pull forward for a second. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Whew. Yeah. So let's try it out now. Again, the back of the truck. Damn it! I don't know. The back of the trailer is gonna go way past the space, and then it's gonna come back in. All right. Let's try that. All right. It's going slowly. All right. What a swing! Oh boy. Oh Jesus, can you imagine doing that in real life? Let's pull forward. No, see, I'm not going to get that. There's not a hope. There's not a hope. Yeah, because I know I can't do anything with that. All right, let's try. Let's see if I can fix it. Whew. Okay, I needed to have turned sooner into it. It's just there's so much to think about. Okay, now let's try that. Okay, it's going so. I'm barely going, but it feels like it's going so fast. Oh. All right, I missed. Oh, I hit it. Damn it. All right. I think I can get away with this. All right, let's pull forward. Again, when you pull forward, the swing is so much. It's ridiculous. Oh, yeah. I think I might get away with it. No, I'm gonna have to pull forward again. Oops. I just destroyed my own truck. All right. So I'm failing miserably at this. All right, let's try one more time. Okay. So I got to be all the way over here. Maybe if I, how about if I do this? I'm just gonna point. I'm just gonna go all the way over here. Okay. All right. This is my setup first. So let's go to the right. Okay. Yeah, because I have to look. I'm looking at this point, and I'm looking at the back, and I can't. I really. I want to turn now. I really do. All right. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Whoops. Can I do this without hitting anything? Oh, this is driving me nuts. This is really, really tough. Okay. See, when I made this level, I found because if you can pull out of a space, you can go into a space. All right. Okay. So now I'm kind of in, but I'm not. All right. I need to back up just a little bit more. Let's go ahead and get my steers straight. I can't start jackknifing it because if I start jackknifing, I'll end up over here. All right. No, I'm not gonna make this. Yeah, not gonna make it. I'm destroying the crap out of his truck. All right, so I cheated. I got rid of the wall. How far? Well, I didn't quite get rid of it, but I got rid of enough of it. So, let's see if I can pull off a mostly straight back. Mostly, without the swing. I don't know, I'm going to turn roughly around here. Hard right. Let's slow down a little bit. Am I actually going to hit that trailer if I keep going? Oh, crap. Yes, I am. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, no. All right, missed it, missed it. Let's keep her going. Hard left. Oh, am I even going to pull this one off? All right, I think this will do. I do believe. So let's go ahead and point my... Because we're already at a straight... We're already at an angle. I'm going to point my steer straight. All right, it's already turning. It's... Oh, boy. Oh, boy. There we go. All right. I think we got it now. I think we got it. All right. Angle it again. Damn, so much to pay attention. All right, we got this. We got this now. Axles are... Did I hit that bloody thing? I did indeed. One more time. One more time. All right, let's try it one more time. We're going to use... We're going to be a little bit smarter about this. Okay. I think I can get away with not hitting the swing roughly around here. All right. Yes, 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 yes. Got it. Okay, let's turn the steering wheel to the right. And we got it. All right, yes, I had to move an entire wall just so I could back it in and prove to myself that I could do this. But, great job, David. Pat on the back. So that was, again, you're not going to experience this. And if you do, geez, I want to see that. I know they have big, huge, long overpass beams that that can be 100 foot or even 200 feet. I've seen it as well. You know, there's a lot of YouTube videos on this. Okay, anyway, I'm done.